What makeup? I don't know what you're talking about. Going. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Ding, 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 ding. Yes! Okay, I'm so excited. We're actually finally like... Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my very first YouTube video. My name is Zane. If you'd like to kiki with me, then keep on watching on how we achieve this super soft glam everyday look. First thing that I always do is the face. Currently using the Maybelline Fit Me in shade 230 in the matte and poreless formula. And I'm using that with the Morphe M439 brush. Taking a little bit on the back of my hand. Honestly, a little bit goes a long way. And I actually don't need it to be super full coverage today, because I'm feeling pretty good about this skin. What I'm using right now is a little bit of a deeper shade. This is Fit Me Dewy and Smooth in 330 Toffee from Maybelline as well. And what I like to do with this is, instead of contouring really heavily, what I like to go in is just use this as like a bronzer to deepen up the areas that I want to be a little bit more sun-kissed. It looks a hot mess right now, but let me show you. And I'm gonna buff this out. Giving you a little bit of that bronzed goddess vibes. Next, I'm going in with a little bit of the Jouer Dulce de Leche Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer. Yes, you rev that engine. Work. The one that I used to blend out the concealer is the Morphe M173 brush. To set my face is the Morphe E4 brush. This is really good for going. Boop, 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 boop. Ding, 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 ding. Am I turning into Valentina? And I'm using the Beauty Bakerie Translucent Setting Powder. Beauty Bakerie Baking Flour. I picked up some of the powder on the cap of the product, and what I like to do is just tap it and work it into the brush really well. Yes. Oh, here we are. Yes. And next is the Morphe M27, and on it I'm using the Butter Bronzer Physicians Formula in the shade Deep Bronzer / Poudre. And I'm actually hitting pan on this. Just pulled intensely back. Just shablam. What I'm using is the Morphe M405 brush in conjunction with MAC Humour Mineralize blush. And I actually like to wear a couple of blushes. I'm a blush fiend. Stippling motions all over the cheek, the apple of the cheek, and same thing on the other side. Now for the second blush, I'm using the Makeup Obsession Isn't It Peachy in the shade Daydream, which is the second color right here. But this just makes me feel like a 12-year-old, and I feel great. Take the colors that I put on my cheeks onto the eyes. Put it everywhere, basically. I just use a big fluffy brush. This is the Rose Gold collection from Morphe. This is the R37. And when I saw it in store when I went to LA for the first time, I was like, Bada bing bada boom. Now that all the powders are set on the face, what I always do is I just go in with a lot of powder and just drown myself. Are you ready? Here we go.
Many hours later.
I feel so refreshed. Yes! This actually feels really good. And what I just used is a little bit of the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus in the watermelon scent. Since all this powder is turned back into skin, we are unclockable. Can't clock me. Yeet. I'm going to hop off camera and curl my lashes, add on some mascara, throw on a pair of lashes, and we'll be back with a cute little lip color and the final look. Peace! I'll be right back. So what we did is we popped on a pair of lashes from MAC and M Cosmetics gloss in Caramel Glaze and the Glossier Clear Lip Gloss. Just right on the lips. To finish off the look, what I'm going to do is tie it all together with the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade 250. Expose the high points to the lights and just stipple. Gently tap. Well, this makeup look honestly probably only took like half an hour. None of it is like super precise except for like the eyelashes, which you don't even have to wear every day. Thank you so much for watching this. Oh my god, yay! There is my first YouTube video. Since everyone is new here, definitely be sure to hit the subscribe button. And also follow all of my socials, which are basically just Zane J Chen. And this is the final result. I'll list all the products that I used down below in the comments, or not in the comments, in the description box, and all of my socials. So be sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and even if you didn't like this video, hit the like button anyways. I'll see you babes in the next one. Thank you so much. Mwah. Bye! That's a wrap. I think I did it. Oh my god. Probably like only 30 minutes, so you could do this like, this if you just like